Okay, so here's another video where we've already got one light that's on a remote control. Okay, so that might be a pre-existing job in the house, and now you're wanting to install another light, but you only want to use just the one remote to control both lights. So it doesn't at the moment. So what you have to do is this: the one that is not controlled by this one, you need to get to the driver again and open it up, undo the 4 screws. Now again, you'll see this white button there. We need to press that until that light goes off. So let's just press that. That light goes off. Press any button on the remote and it blinks, and there we have, it's on. Now you'll see now that they're out of sync. So to bring them back into sync, we hold this on/off button for 5 seconds until it goes off, and then they're paired up. There you go, on, off, on, off. Nice and easy. Thank you.